Yes, it was for Ghana TV GH. Make sure now like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime you post videos, be saying, we shall make a be a watch.
Unions, you know what Metro Mass. I know Mujiska. SCC toilet near the the various depots. We said depots near the toilet. No many who's carrier unions. Meno Casama, NDC machomen, I call G toilets in 16 in your magic. Oh, magic. I remember I oh, magic jet toilet in India. No unions to make them. No more the banum so got a check and banum, so we may come and go say. We are there, Omaji. Now we mean blame you, Bia. I do want him be an what to the Kufa no got now. On them blame no. One by Omasaki NDC for NPP for the supposedly. Near one can say do wine no call honor. No treaty NDC for NPP for the bad. More fire. Near Lusu, I thought I am not so born more the book of father. Of Master Musu saw her. Monya Papa Biasa. One by and so Danny Metro Massino, a beer dear basses in a buno, and your basses in a bubundi here. No more per you, almost free baby a year out of a dear you call to dear Ben, per diem near it, or more increasing. A bit dear 233%. Hey, what would you score more rain? And if I can't natural or more increasing out of station dear Ben, and away. Wo fakrata na ready we had begu ye page wo e bi the managers in the more increase o mo dey by 233%. Metro Mass na agwerega no wo mo nya hwe o and o mo pa DM no mo pay no mo tutu mo e so o ma ban aba we amemo we government nipa no adwoma medical appointment say we Metro Mass and fanto ne hwe nim Metro Mass no na we me no ka say bantema eye chairman NDC chairman ono nso say make NDC for ye gigi na Wajia Santa Regidia. And to where I Mr. Kalisiza, or your lawyer ni, and yet Nakotra, or by no more increasing, out of station, dear Ben. Exactly. It's where I'm a move. We got a chamber, what can you see? I'm a Yamani. I go be. I dare Asam Sudika. I Haruna Po, appointed deputy managing director, operations technical, Wajit, Metro Mass Transit. Make a go see it, Majaga. How one did matter? Who go through Boga, Nipa or 2 hours no. We need to wait just when the administration be a worry. It's a could do say ex-convict crown near the amount of position. Nipa Makoda J Laba. I'm running clearly. Speaks against it. One more Yamo position. Now your mama remember our trust here. Him, you and your body, him. I remember the Papa Bien. Kill that tabai. It's your union, so now you know so much Master Mobasam can say. Motrality Aja. About was so to the Amoto and one of you. I want to be a body and Kuchaman. Mokaman to me and your toilet. Why? Omojiana, Womuji maybe Omaka union, so no matter. But I must speak against it. Exactly. I must speak against it. I go be. Me assure a topic a month for ne petty ban. I feel near Koso. But before that, no. Me assure some who knew my baby na. Yes, me near be Kwabna Bubi answer. Wo didi matem. Wo didi matem wa. Media Kwabna mini me hitiano. Me ni dina tem so da. Hey, me obo man papa. Kwabna Bubi answer. Na so onyo no anka radio anyima kono. Na me so say afi no no ne career ni wuye no medina so otimi bone pagya ne ba so eno no medanyame ase sisi say no obo medina odi matam a e mamanfo kotie no there is nothing wrong with it enti kwabna eye I mean ebuo no dem da so wo ma it is afi no me medina abebo ma career na pagya ba so bi wa me manage ho sa if say me person me hunu kura say dia Sempa FM days no na wugina na so kasa ne mozi me person me koso ahunu sa na said dia wo yire amoni ade a wa yire me mpedesa it is a me medina abenam so said dia me nam wudi nso be ya nipa no se medina abenam so aye pagya kwabena me srese nana no mpagya o kase mi they make you and me mean every word I want you to come back into the fold. Na wo gina ha na me gina ha. Wo ya ni ade. Say ba ku bi obeka ye. Say woni kwa free fa nko. Na ne nua santini me. Ani ase akire for no ma appointment mbufu ye. Say wo to no party, akoyi dwiri party ni ku. Na wo to say yi ni ade. Ani epeja Mugabe koto. MP board so. Na wono de so nko ye printing press. Eti me hu ahi nti wonko ye printing press dia. Eso prove so ni nua na eku. Na me penisa. Kwabna yero ho. Na mesere mo nso mo appointment no. E say wabo adwuma papa. E say woni katachi apempem ho fine. E say adwuma nko amaja yo.
Who just shared a video, all right, has been called or invited by national security. So this is the kind of conversation this whole situation has generated. Now, Akosua Menu comes back and posts again. And I read, breaking into someone's home at 5 a.m. and picking him up like he's some criminal on the run is so crude. Free Sir Obama Pokwase. This is what Akosua Menu is saying. Guys, this particular one also generated a lot of controversies. Now people are beginning to understand the scope of the conversation. What is going on? If per the statement of Ghana Police Service, you want Sir Obama Pokwase to assist you with investigation, then why do you have to go into his room in that manner? Why do you have to put handcuffs? I did not see it. This is what Akosua Menu is saying. And she is also a very close person to the New Patriotic Party. And this is her account. So if police wanted to engage him or assist them in investigation, why would you pick him up in that manner? Was he trying to prove stubborn? Was he trying to run away? What is happening? Why did the police break the door and force themselves in and handcuffed him? Now, based on the images we can see, you can see him with handcuffs. What is going on? Now, a lot of people have been reacting. And let me jog your memory. Just yesterday, 2 TikTokers were picked up. And, we spent a lot of time here yesterday analyzing and discussing that particular issue. And today, they were in court. And they've been granted bail, I think about 100,000. And it looks like that particular issue is not going to be as easy as everybody thought. Because judging from the fact that he came out to apologize, it was expected that probably the police will be a bit calm about the situation, or maybe the people in higher authority will step in and speak up. But no, the matter is already in court and they've been granted bail. How is this whole issue going to pan out? We'll keep our spotlight or eyes on it and definitely update you when we have to.